The last control of the operational procedures and responsibilities category is called separation of development, testing, and operational environments. It does not make sense that an organization would develop and test an application, a solution, or any critical activity directly in the operational environment, and this control ensures this doesn't happen. There are two main risks that an organization would face if it doesn't separate its landscape. The first risk is related to authorization, where personnel who have access to the development environment only should not be doing changes or have privileges to the operational environment. The second risk is related to the successful deployment of new solutions, changes, and practices. Before deploying directly in the operational environment, a solution has to be properly developed and tested in environments where errors and problems would not cause a direct damage to the organization, and would allow an opportunity to fix them before deploying in the operational environment. The transfer of solutions from the development to the testing and eventually to the operational environment should be regulated, authorized, documented, and monitored. The solution should be developed and tested taking into account all the information systems that are available and used in the operational environment. It is understandable that in some scenarios, it is not possible to have an exact replica of the operational data to test on. In such cases, testing could be done directly on the operational environment, but it should be performed with care and on a smaller scale to avoid a potential risk affecting the whole environment. Access control should be defined and applied, where different profiles are created for testing, development, and operational environments. In some scenarios, a copy of the real operational data needs to be moved to the testing environment, but it should be carefully defined who will be doing the testing and whether staff would have unauthorized access to this data.